Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's question is 6 divided by 1 divided by 6 times 6. 6 divided by 1, 6 divided by 6 times 6, 36. Now, 36 divided by 6 is 6 times, so 1 over 6 is the answer, but this is the wrong answer. Now, let's rewrite the question. 6 divided by 1 over 6 times 6. According to the BODMAS rule, when checking from left to right, you solve whatever comes first. So division comes first, and multiplication has the second priority. Now next, we'll turn the division by 6 into multiplication. Reverse 1 over 6 to get 6 over 1, then multiply by 6. Now, 6 times 6 times 6 equals 216. This is the answer.